What's going on, YouTube? Back at it with another fucking video. Today's a little different though, really. Uh, we still gonna be smoking, but we're gonna do a food review. Right now, we're gonna be trying Paiges Bistro. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing that right. I'll put the link in the bio, anything up on the screen and stuff like that. But for me, I'm big back. I don't like time. I don't like wasting time. So we're gonna get straight into it. We're gonna pack our bowl. All right, we're gonna pack our bowl. We're gonna smoke a little bed, and then we're gonna get straight into the food. And no, I don't need to smoke to eat, but I was at work all day, so I would like to smoke. And we on a new setup today. I don't know if y'all peep. Got a little microphone on my chest. I don't know if you can tell by quality or anything like that, but we're on my phone right now. Um, because the camera is full. There's no storage on the camera. I can't do nothing. I can't delete it because I need to, for me, hopefully edit it, post it, and yeah. So I'm on the phone today, but we got a microphone, and the phone quality is not bad. So this shouldn't be really much of a difference except for audio. Hopefully better. Hopefully the same. Hopefully not worse. But I still it, man. Watch when y'all see what I'm about to eat. I don't think I'm gonna finish it. Oh, we got a new bong, by the way. I told you I was getting a new bong. We got this yesterday. Little silicone bong. It's fire. Oh my god. Oh my god. It hits so much better when it's cold. Ooh, that shit just hit the fuck out of me. Oh my god. Holy. Let's set this to the side. Don't want to break that. Actually, I can't. Silicone. Oh my god. Oh, my bad. One sec. Oh, actually, you guys can still hear me. Hello, hello, hello. It's me. I fucked up. Hopefully my mom don't care. She's right in the kitchen. She hates the smell. I just hit the bong and went straight inside. But anyways, look at this masterpiece. Look at this side. Oh my god, there's mac and cheese, pulled pork, the burger, and then uh damn, I forgot what the fries are called. Something your life. Save your life. I don't know, but it's basically fries, mac and cheese, and hot honey tenders. This thing looks so good. Oh my god. What do I even try first? Like, we gotta try the burger first. Just dig into the burger. Yo, this thing's gonna make a mess. Oh, there goes all the. Oh my god, this shit's hot. First bite. Oh my god. Exactly what I imagined. Mm, this is so good. I screwed up. I should have brought napkins. Oh my god, this is amazing. Probably like top 2 burgers I've ever had. Let's try these fries. I definitely give that 10 out of 10. There's nothing wrong with that burger. It's juicy. It's good. It's fresh. There's mac and cheese. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if there's, no, I don't think there's bacon. There's no bacon. There's just mac and cheese, pulled pork, and the burger. And it's so good. Here's the fries, mac and cheese, and the tender. Oh my god. These people did their thing. Holy shit. Wow. They definitely did their thing. 10 out of 10 fries. Definitely recommend. If you live in Georgia, it's in Austell, Georgia. It's by, it's a very long street. You're gonna be right there in the cut in a little parking lot, like a little bar type of thing. You go in, fire. Definitely recommend. They got homemade lemonades. They have they have so much stuff. I didn't even know what to order. The only reason why I got this is because of TikTok. I seen somebody I think I searched up food in Georgia, in Austell, Georgia. I seen somebody try this burger. Definitely recommend it. It's fire. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I don't know if I'm gonna finish all this. Honestly, too, the amount of food that I got, I think it came out to $22. I did not expect this much food. I first opened it, and the whole plate was covered, like everything. You could not fit anything else on this. I thought it was gonna be way more too. When I first ordered, I thought it was gonna come out to like somewhere in the 30s. Mm, amazing. No complaints. These people are about to walk by, look at me, and wonder what the hell I'm doing. I'm just gonna see a big back kid with a flashlight and a phone. Mm-hmm. I feel awkward though now. I don't even want to talk. Oh, they're turning around. Anyways, I'm about to turn the camera off. Enjoy this, and then I'll be back. Let you guys know everything. Probably gonna chop it up. Probably smoke another bowl, and then I gotta go to sleep. I got work tomorrow at about 6, so I gotta wake up at like 5. And yeah, but I'll see you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I couldn't even finish half of it. That shit is insane. That shit was amazing though. 10 out of 10 fries. 10 out of 10 for the burger. Um, Once again, I believe. Actually, I can't even look it up. My phone. Um, I'm gonna put in the description the link to their website, and I'm going to put what I had. I'll put down the burger. I'll put down the fries. Let y'all know. And if y'all want, like I said, it's in Georgia, Austell, Georgia. If y'all want to check it out, I highly recommend. 10 out of 10, all around. And it's perfect for me because I live probably like 5 minutes from there. That's what I like about living where I'm at right now. Is there's food places everywhere. Literally everywhere. There's food places. I leave where I'm in like a gated community. I leave here, literally like food places, gas station with food, McDonald's, Domino's, Sonic. I mean, no, I don't think there's a Sonic. There's Checkers. There's so much stuff. There's barbershops. There's hair salons. There's Kroger's. Like that's one thing I like about Georgia's. There's so, oh shit, dude, this is that shit, bro. Like, I need to stop. Like, I need to get used to talking to the camera in front of people, bro, because it's like it gets so awkward. Somebody like was just going into their car and they looked at me and I looked at them and I just, bro, I can't. It's so weird, but I gotta get into the habit. But anyways, like I was saying, yeah, there's just so much stuff around me. But I'm moving somewhere else, as y'all know. I should be there by the end of the month. But over there, there's not much places. But it's not far from here either. It's only like maybe like 10 minutes from here. It's closer to my job, so that's better. But the job's only like 10 minutes from here, maybe like 12. So it's like it's whatever. I won't have to wake up that early though, so I guess. Oh my god, do I look kinda? But yeah, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. It's my first time doing a little mukbang. You feel me? Might try to do a little few more of these, cause like I said, I'm big bag. You feel me? And I used to be mad picky. I'm trying to break out of that, meaning trying to try new foods. So now that I'm in Georgia and there's a lot of stuff that I haven't tried out here, that's basically what I'm going to be doing, trying new stuff. The other day I had some birria tacos from here. Not gonna lie, whack. They're way better at home. Uh, Way bigger. They were different color, stuff like that, but it's whatever. I'll try new stuff here. Um, record it, review it, do Q&As and stuff like that. And yeah, like I said, let's go ahead and hit this bone and end this video off. Can y'all see it? I knew she came to the door, bro. She about to come outside. She's so nosy, bro. Look. Oh, now she don't want to come out, right? All right, let's do it. Holy shit. I don't know how I'm not coughing. I don't even know if I can finish this. Oh no, it is done. Well, holy shit, my head is spinning. I'm about to chill out here. Uh, Probably gonna edit this video. Hopefully, get it uploaded fast as possible. I'm trying to get more used to editing. That's my biggest problem because I can make as many videos as I want, but editing it is I gotta get better. It's just basically cuts and transitions, but I want to do more. I want to add more, but I gotta get used to it. So I appreciate y'all for watching the video. If you stayed in here till the end, hit that like button, comment down what you want me to try. Hopefully in my area and Austell area, and share this for me. Hit that subscribe button down below. But I appreciate y'all. Peace.